How to become a top earner starts with the mind. Once you've created your mission statement and create your product name, strengthening your mind is vital for growth. So Crack the Millionaire Code is the follow-up videos as we go from video 1. Today we're doing the workshop in video 2. My name is Romay Cupido. Please subscribe, ring the bell so that you can get the follow-up videos. And we progress every week to help you develop your product, get strength, grow, and get to the next level of how to become a top earner. So please hit that bell and subscribe. Today we do the workshop. And the workbook is the follow-up for you to get to the next level in your product, in realizing how to grow and how to develop your own product to strengthen it right from the beginning. So, what is your value? To decide who you're doing this is for, why you are doing it. It is so important because as your life grow and you get excited how to become better so that you can do better, it's important then to learn what feelings would you like to experience more, how your day-to-day life can change, and what relationships you want to work on so that you get ahead. And then how to follow up where you are now and where you'd like to be. So in the workbook, you have all these notes that you can practice to see how your life purpose by use of the exercise develop, and then you create your name, you create your purpose, and you develop a follow-up exercise list on how you can expand and develop on that. Identity. Our identity is so important, and having limited beliefs is usually what holds us back. It's the things we feel negative about on a day-to-day basis. So consider areas in your life where you usually are stuck and things that block you to get difficult even within ourselves to create what we need. The design for your hour of power is vital. It's something I do on a daily basis. It's self-motivation, and it's just things that develop our core values to succeed. So with who you spend your time is very important. If you focus on negativity, where your mind is, your life will be. So this workbook is a process of self-development and growing. So you learn as you earn, and you develop yourself, growing to be a better and stronger individual. So it is so vital. Spend your time with people that contribute to your success. So subscribe, hit the button, and please share with others. I will leave the link to the product, Crack the Millionaire Code, in the description. And the Facebook group is so important because that's where you can reach out to me. You can ask me questions through your process of developing your product by following my step-by-step guidance to give you the greatest life to get a start ahead and have an advance. So, to see the next follow-up videos, hit the button and subscribe. And please share. Ring the bell for notifications, and I see you on the other side. Ciao.